Hello. Well, I ordered Rockwool, and I actually went for the solid Rockwool solid, which are thinner plates but stiffer. But well, I did not receive that. I received something else, unfortunately. Anyhow, I received 5 centimeter thick Rockwool Sono Extra, which is also pretty good material, but I wanted to try the more solid version, but yeah, I did not receive that. But they were very friendly. I received 3 packages, 2 times 5 centimeter and 1 time 10 millimeter or 10 centimeters, which I never asked for. So they paid for the 10 centimeter ones because I don't know what to use it for, and gave me my money back for 1 package. So that's nice. And they even removed some of the shipping costs, which were very expensive, more than 100 euros, but that's very nice they did that. So I have 1 pack for free and lesser shipping costs. So, well, in the end, I ordered way too much anyway, so I'm not completely, I would like to try the other stuff, but, well, anyhow, save some money. So, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'll leave the panels as they are, and then add the Rockwool, because I wonder how much that actually changes from just these bare panels and with Rockwool behind it, before I make any frames to put it in, because, well, if it doesn't work, why bother? The Rockwool will end up in the middle of the panel, so higher up. But the Rockwool plates are smaller than the panels. I might fill it all up, I don't know. Depends on the frame I want to make. Anyhow, try again. Fistful of dollars. Anyhow, yeah, I'll go edit it. Maybe I'll cross-cut it. Maybe I don't, because it's quite a short song. It's still doable. If I chose the 7-minute song, that might have been a huge problem. 2 minutes might still be too long. Maybe I'll cross-cut it. Well, let's see. Anyhow, see you later. Before I make any frames to hold the Rockwool, I want to know if it does anything and if it's for the good, because it might do something that I do not want. I do hope it does work, because otherwise it's another 200 something euros down the drain, and I cannot enter my tiny shed because there's Rockwool everywhere. It's quite annoying. Well, anyhow, see you later. Bye bye.